English Grammar Practice. Part 1. In this practice, you are going to answer 33 questions. Let's begin. He goes to the office every day by train. If it snows, they will stay at home. I have seen that movie before. They were late because they took the wrong train. He lost his keys yesterday. We have lived in this town for 10 years. The food smells delicious. She's the best student in the class. He asked me where I was from. This book is more interesting than the last one. They haven't finished their work yet. I was watching TV when my friend called. She wasn't here yesterday. We were waiting for the bus when it started to rain. By the time he arrived, I had left. My parents have traveled to France many times. I didn't eat breakfast this morning. If I were you, I wouldn't call her. The girls were playing outside all afternoon. She was able to solve the problem easily. There isn't any water left in the fridge. My house is smaller than my neighbor's. They were talking quietly so nobody could hear. They have to hurry or they will miss the bus. The movie was so exciting that I watched it twice. She hasn't called me since last week. You mustn't tell anyone this secret. I haven't finished my homework yet. They went to the restaurant on Friday evening. I've never been to Italy, but I'd love to go there. He told me he would come later. I haven't seen Jennifer since last summer. We were tired because we had worked all day. Don't forget to share your score in the comments section. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe because more valuable content is on the way. See you in our upcoming videos.